In order to configure time on Rails 7, you need to configure cron. In order to configure cron, you'll use time.datectl command, which is new in Rails 7. Because the approach on Rails 6 was different, so basically there are a couple of time.datectl commands that we need in order to set system time. And to specify that, we use NTP. So let's have a look at some commands. We'll type time.datectl. And to specify that, we use this shows us the current status. We can see the current time zone, we can see the local time, we can see a universal time, and we can see that the NTP has been enabled. I'm going to ignore that because I'm going to show you how to enable time as well. So if the current time zone isn't good, you can type time.datectl list time zones. By the way, if you notice, like in some commands like firewall, you need -- in front of every option. That's not the case with time.datectl. So this gives us a long list of current time zones. So I'm in Europe, and you can see this is my time zone, Europe, Amsterdam. And to check if that, so I want to set that, I can do that time.datectl set time zone followed by Europe, Amsterdam. And to check that if that worked out well, I'll use time.datectl status. You can see that the time zone is now set to Amsterdam. And I don't know if you noticed that the local time has been adjusted automatically because the system is working in UTC. So the next thing we'll do is time.datectl set NTP to set the network time protocol. So let's check by doing systemctl status cronid.service. It gives me an overview of current configuration of the cron service. And if you wonder that cron service has some configuration, well, do you remember how to do that? We need to find the RPM it comes from. If you don't know exactly, you can just copy the file from here. Let's copy the file and let's do a RPM -QF followed by one file. Let me paste it here. Hit enter. So now I know the name of the RPM is cron. So now I know the name of the configuration file. So I do RPM -QC on cron, which gives us cron.conf. And that wasn't too difficult. You could have guessed it quickly. So if I do vim on hccrony.conf, I can see the configuration of all the NTP servers here. And that's about it. That's what we need to configure time servers. Thank you.